What's up guys, Melvin from hairtransplantnetwork.com. Today I'm going to give you guys my 2-month update. I'm right in the middle of the ugly duckling phase. I would say, actually I'm at the peak of the ugly duckling phase. My hair hasn't looked this bad in a while, but it's all part of the process. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a close-up of my hairline here. You can see I'm going to get about as close as possible. That is the hairline. You can see some of the hairs are very vellus hairs. They're starting to grow out. You can see there. You can see some of the temple points. The hairs have started to grow as well. Let it focus there. There you go. So yeah, that is a close-up of the hairline. Now I'm going to show you guys the crown. Now let's look at the crown. So I feel like there's been a few hairs here growing. But you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright guys, well there you have it. That is my 2-month update. You know, it's the ugly duckling phase. What else can I say? My hair's looking terrible, but I know that just a few months from now, I'm gonna be singing a completely different tune. So for those of you who are watching this video and may be in a similar situation, be patient. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and link my Hair Restoration Network thread in the description box in case you guys wanna follow my journey. You don't just have to follow my journey though. There are hundreds of other reviews there. So, you know, the forum is a great wealth of information and honestly the best place to follow real results. All right, till next time.